What's up guys, you're watching another video. Today I'm gonna give you guys an update on the 350Z giveaway. And we're also gonna fix a couple things on the car for the new owner. First things first, right now we're gonna replace the windshield. I told you guys I was gonna fix the windshield. It has a little crack on it. Well, not little, it's actually a huge crack. And it came with the car, I didn't do this. That's when I bought it. So the guys outside, we're about to get the windshield replaced real quick. So that will be out the way. And then I think after this, I'm gonna go to an exhaust shop so they can fix that exhaust leak. It has a full ISR performance exhaust, shout out to them. It sounds really good. It sounded good for the first day, but that was when I had the car really slammed and I must have scraped something really hard, so it made an exhaust leak on the bottom. So we gotta fix that today too. But let's get this windshield replaced right now. It's gonna look a lot better. Guys, I can't believe we're finally giving this car away, dude. I cannot believe it. I've been talking about doing a giveaway for so long. It's finally happening. You guys can hear the exhaust. It's super loud, but it's not supposed to be that loud. This exhaust is actually pretty mellow and quiet, which I like. Right now it's super loud. It should not be this loud. Yeah guys, look at that big old crack. She goes all the way. The whole thing's cracked. Damn, that's crazy. I don't know how that happened, but the car came like that. But we're gonna get it all fixed real quick. I want to try to make the car as clean as possible for the new owner. So new windshield, fix the exhaust leak. It already has the new wheels, new coilovers, new bumper, new wrap, new headlights. Did an oil change not too long ago. The car just got smogged. New exhaust. I'm excited, bro. Whoever wins this car, definitely a nice project 350Z. You can turn it into a show car, a drift car, whatever you want to turn it into, honestly. And just like that, the windshield is fixed. Look how much better it looks, guys. Damn, this is brand new. But yeah, we got a new windshield on. Now I'm about to go to O'Reilly's and see if I can get some new windshield wipers, because these literally don't even have windshield wipers on, bro. You guys wanna know a fun fact? This might be like the second, maybe third time I put gas in this car. That's how little I drove it, bro, from owning this car. I barely drove the car. It's kind of sad. I wish I drove it more, but that's why I'm so excited to see who gets the car next and actually enjoys the car more than I did. But yeah, look at that, guys. This is one of your guys' Z right here. One of you guys that are watching this video, this is your car. That's crazy to think about. But a quick update on the giveaway, guys. All the tickets have sold out way faster than I thought. I put 300 stickers on the website. I told you guys we were gonna let it go for a whole month. And in 1 month, I was gonna reveal the winner. Well, it turns out you guys freaking sold out all the tickets in that one weekend, bro. So I can't even thank you guys enough. You guys are insane. The support is insane. You guys are crazy. And I cannot wait to see who wins the 350Z now. So anyways, and now it turns out that I'm gonna be revealing the winner on Monday, I believe. What the, how do you do this? I'm telling you guys, I don't know how to work this car. All right, guys, we got the windshield wipers. Damn, we're fixing everything on the Z today, huh? Like I said, I was gonna do it in a month from now, but you guys sold out the tickets so fast. So we're gonna just speed it up and do it this month. I'm sure you guys wanna know who wins anyways. So that's what we're doing today, just fixing the little things that I wanted to fix for you guys, just so the car's a little bit nicer for you guys, whoever wins this car. Right now we're gonna head to the exhaust shop, like I said, and hopefully fix this exhaust leak, because it sounds so bad, bro. I wanna lower the car too, because the car is on coilover, so that's why it's all lifted. So it definitely can go lower, but I'm just gonna leave it for the next owner to do. So like, you guys can put whatever height you guys want the car to be at. Because I don't know if I put it too low and you guys don't want it that low, you know what I mean? So it's on coilovers, so whoever gets the car is able to just adjust the coilovers to whatever height you guys want to do. Right now we're looking like a monster truck though. Alright guys, made it over here to the exhaust shop now. We're about to look under it, see where the exhaust leak is coming from. It does not sound good, bro. Something is leaking in the bottom of here. Like with the whole ISR performance, Scenic. Well, this car is so sick. I was driving it right now, and it's actually like a very sick car, bro. It drives smooth, drives nice. It probably needs an alignment too, but I'm trying to fix as much as I could before the new winner gets it. exhaust leak a little bit. It got a little better. I think I'm just not used to the 350Z sound. It's a VQ, so I think it's supposed to sound a little more raspy than my GTR, but this sounds a little better. The little exhaust leak kind of fixed, the windshield fixed. I'm gonna go throw on the new windshield wipers that we got. But guys, it's not bad. Look at this. Look at it. You wanna race? I'll race it right now, bro. Well, it does sound better, honestly. It sounded way worse. And see, it's not that loud. Like, you can actually have a conversation in here. You hear some 350Zs and those shits are way too loud, bro. Little downshifts. And guys, this Z, compared to like other Zs you see on off-road right now, go to off-road right now and see what kind of Zs are for sale, guys. They're all clapped out. Like, none of the interior is nice. My seats are actually not ripped at all. Some people have like sagging headliner. The exterior is so ugly. This is actually a super nice Z, bro. I'm telling you, whatever you want to turn it into, a drift car, show car, a daily driver, I think this shit can do anything. Damn, I kind of don't want to sell it. Now that I fixed the exhaust leak, it's actually like way more enjoyable to drive. And it's HR, guys, don't forget. This shit is fast, bro, compared to other Ds. I'm trying to see what else I can buy, guys. Maybe some floor mats, because the car has no floor mats. And if you guys see the carpet, it actually has a little hole in it. So I think we put some floor mats, make it look a lot nicer. Should we buy that? Oh, hell no. I still want to do the video where we rice out my car, guys. I want to put all this stuff in my GTR, like make it as rice as possible as I can. I wonder if they have like a Nissan one like this. Yeah, who wants to see me rice out my GTR, guys, for a video? It'd be funny. They have like so much things. Like, we could put like this on my car. We went shopping. Oh shit! We went shopping today, bro. I'm about to get smacked through the freaking door. Alright, we fixed the windshield, we fixed the exhaust leak. We gotta put these on. The windshield wipers. And I also bought floor mats, dude, because this car has no floor mats. There's a hole in the freaking floor, bro. That came with the car when I bought it, unfortunately. And the car never had floor mats, so I just bought these like universal ones. Hopefully they work. Way better! This shit looks brand new. Why can't I bring my car back to life when I own the car? Now that I'm giving it away, we're making the car all nice. Well, it looks so much better. I'm actually glad we did that. The black ice. Can't go wrong with black ice, bro. Black ice is a necessity for us car guys. Boom! Someone come pick up your car.
Windshield wipers.
I've never put windshield wipers on in my life, bro. Don't clown me. I feel like all guys should know this, right? Except for me. You know how much people hate on me in the comments when like I don't work on my own car?
Why?
Because like us car guys, you're supposed to work on your own car. Bro, how the fuck do you do this? Just like that. Whoa, we finally have windshield wipers. Wow. Perfect. There you go. Now I got some windshield wipers. I don't want to get rid of the car now. The floor mats was a big difference. Good thing we did that. I'm gonna do the giveaway on live, guys, on my Instagram. So go right now, FindingNick, follow me on Instagram. Shut up! There's literally like 4 German Shepherds. What the fuck? Do the giveaway on my Instagram live, guys, at FindingNick. I'm also gonna vlog it too, so that vlog's probably come out like on Tuesday. And then stay tuned for the vlog where the owner, the new owner, will actually fly down here, drive down here, whatever it is, and pick up their new car, your guys' new car. Whoever's watching this video, that could be your new car. The floor mats, low key, was like the perfect
it made such
touch,
a difference.
Like, that was a finishing touch right there. Now the interior is nice. What do these guys want? Sheesh. The D92's here? This needs a wash, bro. That needs a wash. And that needs to get detailed before it goes to the new owner too. Probably not now though, because I think they're trying to do an oil change on the detailing van.
These are clean rags. This is the same rag I just used, bro. What are you talking about?
It's the one you guys use on like on the Lambos?
Yes. Doing damn oil change, because look at what David has this van for 2 years. And look how much oil it has.
That's what David drives it? Look at this here. Bro, I added floor mats. Doesn't that shit look way more nicer with them?
Yeah, it looks super clean. It smells good in here too.
Oh yeah, I put a black ice.
Alright, brother. It's up to you. You're a handyman. Find a 10 right there. That fits to this.
Sorry about the crash van, guys. Our employee of the month messed it up.
That's my employee of the month. You're probably seeing this video right now.
Come on, brother. A 10. That's like a 20 in your hand.
I don't think you know what a 10 is, brother.
Yeah, wait, after this? You can actually get a tone on, bro. That's not better.
It's burbling, bro.
But now you can hear the tone of the exhaust. They really did fix the exhaust. Guys, David and Hugo have been washing cars every day, bro. So hit us up if you need a car wash.
The employee of the month that left.
Just like this.
Took us out of commission for a little bit.
Everyone will comment employee of the month on his picture if you know who it is.
David's rude. See, he looks so good now, bro. Look at that. It's been a couple hours since the last clip, but I just wanted to pull out one more time to show Hugo and David. The front yard is looking like Fast and Furious, guys. We got the Z, the M3, the GTR. Look how we're doing the oil change, guys. On the freaking curb. One wheel up in the air.
Look, no excuses.
That's right. You squished your finger?
Yes, bro. Look at him. It took a little purple.
That shit's bad, dude. He squished his finger in the door washing cars.
There's no stick holding this with my arm.
That's how mad you'll be. But David's concentrated, dude.
Bro, it is crazy. Whoever wins the Z, $50, bro. Unless you did more entries, of course, but majority of the people did $50, one entry, which would be insane.
Bro, someone bought like 20 stickers, guys. I'm gonna let you guys know right now. Someone bought 20 stickers. And if he doesn't win, it's kind of sad. But
I'm sure if they did that, it's because, you know.
It doesn't ultimately mean he's gonna win, though.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, if they did that, I mean, they're comfortable where their money level's at, you know?
Yeah, but that's crazy, bro.
This interior is crazy, though. All this.
Hey, there's a lot of pallets.
Hella clean up.
It looks super clean.
It looks like it's
And the freaking windshield's new, too.
A sick car to win. Especially, like, I don't know, maybe some of you guys it could be your guys' first car
I
ever.
know.
And you guys are just like, you know what, let me just try to.
I'm curious as to who it goes to.
Yeah.
Like, I really want to know who this car's gonna go to. What if a girl wins?
Yeah. Oh, hey,
Never know that either. We're gonna watch it one more time, though, before the new owner gets it. But
We'll watch it the day of.
yeah, the day of, maybe. It'll be sick.
The day of, and we just have it stored, and then when.
Give away this thing. Give away the E9 too. We could give it away next.
Don't fight Canelo, no fucking problem, yeah? Out straight, no problem.
He's tripping?
Oh,
Who do you have to go with, Canelo or Conor McGregor? And I was telling Hugo, though, I feel bad for whoever doesn't win, dude. Like, I wish I had 300, 350 Z's I could give away.
I know, yeah, that'd be sick. But at the end of the day, maybe this is just something that you start doing, where you could just start raffling.
I don't know, this is the first ever giveaway I've ever done in my entire life, so it went good. We're gonna have to pick the winner, but like I said, I just feel bad for whoever doesn't win. I'm probably gonna do a second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth place winner and just give up away all the merch that I have left over.
Excited. I'm excited. It's not even me.
I feel bad, bro. I wish I could give a card to everybody.
It's not really bad, I know. Yeah. But everybody, like I said, it's the first one you ever give away. Maybe later on you give away, somebody else gets a chance to win it.
I know.
A different card, a different card, a different card, a different
It's a
card.
game.
It's quite dirty, bro.
Yeah, it's a game that you just take a chance on. Which is pretty crazy to win a 350Z that's super clean for $50.
Should we go with the GTR next?
All right, brother.
We would have to sell like $1,000 tickets.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is